Hey guys, I just want to share a tip. I know you guys like my tips. I keep having people make comments about the lighting tip I did a while back, and I don't do them as often as I should. But I am a big fan of paint to make a big impact on a house. And this is a tip for if you live in a house, if you're thinking about selling the house that you live in, or if you're shopping for houses. You got to open your mind to the possibility that those cabinets are quality cabinets. They're just, maybe they're a maple, maybe they're stained wood, or like a cream with a glaze, and you just don't like that. Well, they have really nice spray finishes for starting at a couple $1,000s. Depending on how many cabinets you have, that kind of increases the price. But they typically do a multi-layer, even like a 6-layer spray finish coating that lasts a very long time. And it just makes the biggest impact. And so even in my kitchen, we bought our house about 4 years ago, and it had pickled oak cabinetry, and it was custom cabinets built in the early 90s, and it was definitely not a style we've seen lately, that color. And I picked out Dorian Gray. I had a person come in and spray finish the cabinets, and it completely transformed the look. New hardware, that's a couple $100s at most, and the spray finish cabinets. When you're talking about a renovation of the kitchen cabinets can be half of the budget. I mean, they're really expensive. So my tip is, for a big impact, is to paint the cabinets. And then if they are really bad style of door, consider refacing the cabinets. And you can call me for any of my referrals on carpenters who do a great job refacing.